Welcome back to our YouTube channel, everyone. It's been a while. The last video was from last year, but we're back. We're back and we're getting better. Well, Valentine's just passed and I didn't get to make Roma anything. So we're gonna make her favorite dish, which is very simple ribeye steak. And what's special about this video is we're gonna try out a new technique on cooking. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's sous vide, and it's like cooking it under a water bath and then searing it afterwards on like a cast iron. And so we're gonna test it out today. I've never done sous vide before, so hopefully it goes well. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to season our steaks. And there's one for me, one for Roma, because I gotta eat too, you know what I'm saying? So, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And don't forget to season both sides. Roll it along your cutting board, because your cutting board has seasoning too. Now that we have it seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and place them in a Ziploc bag or a vacuum sealed bag, and then we're gonna dip it into the sous vide machine. Can we fit it in one? I guess I got a really big bag. we're gonna place it in here. Yeah, let's do this. Hopefully I do this right. So what we have is we have our meat here. We're gonna do this technique called reverse something. Oh, okay, we gotta submerge it more. And it's supposed to like pull out all the air. And then once it's in, like that, I think you're supposed to seal it. Let's check it. Oh yeah, it pulled out most of the air, right? So that's pretty good. Cool, perfect. And so now, we'll just submerge it. Okay, nice. So now it's fully submerged, and if you see the display, it's gonna bring it up to 30. It's gonna bring it up to 57. Gonna do it. We'll leave this for 2 hours. I'm gonna hit a workout, come back, and then we'll see how the meat turns out. Hopefully it's not completely ruined, but the cool thing about sous vide, you can be like a newbie, but as long as you have the settings correctly, the meat should turn out correctly. Oh, what's up guys? So 2 hours later, right? We're finally ready to sear the meat. So we took out the meat out of the sous vide, and this is what it looks like. It kind of looks just pale brown, not very appetizing, but that's why we have the cast iron in the background, because we're going to sear it real quick and then we'll cut into it. So let's do that right now, okay? I'm really excited, I'm really hungry. But what's pretty cool is this whole thing inside, you know, it's at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's like that perfect like pinkish or closer to like medium that we're looking for, that Roma and I like. And now we just got to make it look pretty. Okay. Are you hungry, babe? Yeah? Yes. This is for your Valentine's dinner.
Thank you.
Let's get this started. I'm just waiting till this gets hot, and then we'll get this started. We're using grapeseed oil because the smoking point is high. You don't want your oil to burn, right? So if you use like an olive oil or whatever, there's a chance that because the boiling point is not as high, then it might burn and it'll leave a nasty flavor in your meat. Jeez. Safety first, right? I can't wait to see the final result and get to taste it too. Hopefully in the near future, once everyone gets vaccinated and everything, we can travel again and show you guys around the world again. But for now, we're just gonna show you some steaks. And then we'll flip it. We just want a quick sear because we don't want the inside to cook any further than it has already in the sous vide. And so after we've seared both sides, we're gonna baste it with some butter and some garlic. So we have some butter and rosemary here. Just gonna throw it in here. Then we're gonna turn it to low. We're gonna add some butter. It's not that hard to make steak or a good steak, but this one in particular, with the new method or the method we use, takes a little more time. That's okay. You can turn off the heat. Put it on the sides. Render out the fats. Look at that, guys. Wow. So excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited. My mouth is watering.
This is bad. We should probably just bring the pot there. But you know what? We're trying to save time. Boom. And there you guys have it. We got some beautiful ribeye steak using the sous vide method, and then also pan frying or searing it on the cast iron afterwards. And look, the dogs are hungry too. Look, the dogs are right behind you watching. You guys want some? Okay, let's cut into this. Alright guys, this is the magic moment. Slicing into it. So let's cut the top part first. Let's cut it off first. Let's remove it. Wow. Let's so the grain is going this way, so we want to cut it this way. Okay? We want to cut against the grain. Babe, my mouth is watering.
Wow. That's
wow.
Good.
This is what you wanted, right? Like medium?
Yeah.
A little pink, not too much pink. Now if you guys wanted more pink, you adjust the temperature of the sous vide. But wow, this is nice and juicy. Wow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just perfectly medium. Oh, it's so juicy. Babe, hold on.
I'm excited.
Let me show them. Let me show them you.
Wow.
First bite. How is it?
It was really soft. It was good.
I gotta try it too, right? Small little piece. It's good.
Yeah.
Really good.
I can't wait to dig in more.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy
It's so
Valentine's,
good.
babe.
Thank you.
Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to eat this. Thank you guys. If you haven't tried sous vide yet, try it out, because this is the first time I tried it and it came out perfectly, so it's foolproof. You're not gonna mess it up. Whew. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.